friends, here we go again, and we're gonna do the wings now. And as you can see, I got Spice Traders rotisserie chicken seasoning, and I'm gonna try something new today. I never tried it. It's called the Weber Kickin' Chicken. Now my all-time go-to is Killer Hogs, the AP rub. This stuff is just amazing. I highly recommend anything that Malcolm Reed makes. It just puts a kick to the food. And here are the wings, right here. And I sprayed the wings so that it would bind the spices with the Pam Original. Okay, so I just sprayed it on the wings, like that, you know, and it'll help the spices bind. I will be back when I got it all spiced up for you guys. Okay, talk to you soon. Here we are again. As you can see, good job of spicing up the wings. These are ready to go on the grill. I just have to let them sit here, like I said, for at least an hour or two, so that they absorb all the seasoning and they get all that good taste inside the meat. So we will see you soon. Oh, of course, I turn them around and season the back end also. All right, everybody, I got the charcoal lit, and I don't know if you could see it, but that cylinder thing that the charcoal's in is called the Vortex. And this thing puts out some serious heat, and you don't have to use as much charcoal as you would to do the wings. I'm gonna set the wings around it, and it should be done in about an hour. Okay, the grill is about almost 400, 350, 375, and I laid down the chicken wings. Look how beautiful they are. Now, as you can see, the Vortex is holding all the charcoal in the center, and it's generating some heat, let me tell you. So we should have these beautifully done chicken wings without them being burnt, as long as I'm over them, and they should be done to perfection. So anyways, I will come back later and show you. Okay, it's about 400 degrees inside, and I just opened this, and look how beautiful they're starting to come out. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn them over like this. See? I'm gonna turn them all over, and then cover them up again and let them for another half hour, and then we'll be back. Probably the sauce. Alrighty, here we go. Look at this. They are on point. They're sauced. I'm gonna cover them for maybe 5 minutes and out for consumption. And I'm getting out of here because this thing's hot. But as you can see, a $15 piece of equipment for the Weber kettle does an awesome job for the wings.